Electronics 101 for all. Resistor color coding made easy. Today, we are going to go over the basics of resistor color coding and how it can help you with your electronics projects. So, what is resistor color coding? It's a system that uses colored bands on resistors to indicate their resistance value. Each color represents a specific number, and by looking at the colors on a resistor, you can figure out its resistance value. There are typically 4 colored bands on a resistor, and the first 3 bands are used to indicate the resistance value. Now, let's go over the colors and what they represent. The first 2 bands indicate the first 2 digits. The third band tells the number of zeros. The fourth band is used to indicate the resistor's tolerance or how accurate the resistance value is. To read the color codes, you'll need to know the color chart. Each color represents a number. Here it is: black, 0, brown, 1, red, 2, orange, 3, yellow, 4, green, 5, blue, 6, purple, 7, gray, 8, white, 9. For example, if a resistor has brown, red, and orange bands, its resistance value would be 1, 2, and 3 zeros, that is 12,000 ohms or 12 kilo ohms or 12K. If the fourth band is gold, that means the resistor has a tolerance of plus minus 5%. If the fourth band is silver, the tolerance is plus minus 10%. So now you know the basics of resistor color coding. So, to sum it up, to read resistor color codes, you'll need to know the color chart and read the bands from left to right. With a little practice, you'll be reading resistor colors like a pro in no time. That's it for today's lesson on resistors. Thanks for watching. We hope you learned something new and are excited to try out your own electronic DIY projects. Don't forget to check out our Schogini Toys DIY kits to get started.